In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on this Volkswagen Tiguan. It's going to be located on the lower left part of the engine. Let's get into it. Now I'm using a 7mm socket. We're going to loosen up this worm clamp at the throttle body. Make sure that's loose. And just use a pick. Just make sure this is loose. We're going to take it off from underneath. Just go around with the pick if you need to. This one seems like it's going to be pretty loose. Yep, this one's loose. So we'll take it off down below. If it's still tight after you have everything disconnected down below, you can come back and try to loosen it up some more. Using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. On the sides, it's just clipped in right here. You just want to try to pull this out. Pull it off the front. Do the same on the other side. It just pulls out. I'm going to remove these screws. There's a T25 socket. Take that out. On the sides, there's one there, one there, one there. Should be one there. Right there and right there. I'm just going to use a trim tool. You can see where it's clipped in here and on the other side. And just slide it right back. Disconnect the connector right here. I'm just going to use a pick. Just got underneath the tab right there. Slide that off out of the way. I'm using a T30 socket. Loosen up the bolt right here. And then further up, you're going to reach above where the connector was. There's another bolt right there, same T30 socket. You should be able to get that. There we go, that's loose right there. I'm going to take this clip off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. We're just going to pop this out. Just want to pop that clip out. There is a service position. Trying to get it in service position. Pull that out, and you can release the clip. You can actually push that clip back in. Pull the pipe out. You're gonna have to pull it off the throttle body slightly. If it's still stuck, then go up and try to release it again. And we're gonna disconnect the connector here. I'm just gonna use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get on the top part where it's clipped in, push it down, and disconnect the crank sensor. I'm going to use a T30 socket. I'm going to take the bolt out up top. Disconnect the bolt. Pull that out. Grab the sensor. Just give it a wiggle. And we'll pull it out. Using a pick just to help pull this out, and there it is. Take the new sensor. You can put a little dielectric grease or silicone paste on the O-ring so it slides in there easier without rolling. Slide that in place. That's good. And take the screw, get that started. And snug this down. And we're going to torque this bolt to 7 foot-pounds. Take the connector, line that up, lock it down. I take this tube, line this up, try to get it over the throttle body if you can, or as close as possible. If you have to, lower the vehicle and adjust up near the throttle body. And the tube right here. Lock that in place. We'll get the bolts started. Tighten that down. And the one that's further up. Snug that down. And take the connector, line this up, lock it in place. Now I'll take this, I'm gonna slide the bracket so one's gonna come down, this is gonna go up, this is down, this is up, this is down, up. Get that slid in place. That's good. And I'll put the screws in. Get those started. Should be another one right there on the other side. And one more in the middle, and we'll snug those down. Now I take this shield, get this lined up. And just push it on. You can use a rubber mallet if you need to. Push the sides in place. That's good. Now put these screws in and snug them down. And using a 7mm socket, I'll snug this down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.